Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, June 30th. This is David, and we've just wrapped up the first half of the year, and it has been quite an impressive half a year for Tesla, right? We started the year right down here by this Voodoo fire line, and holding the fire line, right? We're often going to start to look for the next fire line up, and while it did need to pull back to the tree line here afterwards, it broke through right into the next fire line region, and that sent us through to the next fire line up. That was where we topped out at the end of the day here today. We did get a little higher here last week, right? And I want to talk you through why this could be resistance. Either for short term or longer term, and how we're going to use these Voodoo roadmaps to tell the difference, right? So look, if we look at the move down from this swing high up here to the low at the start of the year, the 61.8% retracement is right up against last week's high. Furthermore, if we look at this leg up, right, the initial leg up from the start of the year, and this subsequent leg up from April, again, we're kind of right at the spot where those are roughly equal. We got a little above it and then came back below. And then, of course, there's this important Voodoo fire line nearby, and that can tell us what direction the next important move is. After all, if we get support above that that level, not just running into the snow line above and coming back down, but getting above, pulling back, finding support somewhere above, then that will keep the short-term focus up. And yes, it would need to get above 300 and the tree line there, and then it would need to get above 325 and the tree line there, and that would set it upwards towards 360. But we need to see the move above there first, right? And support above that level, then just keep watching the snow lines on the way to the tree line, all right? And then towards the next tree line above. But if instead, right, we come back down into the tree lines that held us up at this week's low and instead take those out, then that sets up a roadmap to potentially retest 204.26, and resistance below there potentially sends us down. So that's the beauty of these Voodoo line roadmaps, is that they give us, right, they don't always tell us for sure what's going to happen at a particular level, but they tell us what levels to focus on, right? And then we can read the action there to see what's next. Given the importance of this 263.73 level, this is not, from my standpoint, the time to take action, because we need to commit, or see Tesla commit, to a direction from here, and then we can consider committing to Tesla. So everything coinciding here gives me just another reason to be patient and watch for signs of what the next move is going to be in this name. I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.